What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another video of Packy Kicks. This is C here, and today for you guys I have a Supreme Week 8 unboxing. As you guys can tell, I have recently got my Supreme Week 8 pickups in the mail, and we're going to be opening up and checking out to see what's inside these packages. But before we get into that, I want to make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so that you guys can receive updates when I do post more videos or Supreme related content, or as well as sneaker related content. Also make sure to hit the notification bell so you guys see updates on when I do post more videos and post more often. There are going to be more videos coming up within the next few days, so please stay tuned with that. But with that all being said, let's get right into the boxing. So we're going to start with a small package here today, and in Supreme Week 8, as you guys recall, it was a Supreme spring tee release, as well as you had the woven mat, and I believe you had the cartoon sweater as well in there. But there's only a few items throughout the drop that I only eyed, such as the tees and the mat, but I was able to get at least one of the t-shirts here, so let's check out and see what's in this small little package. I have my trustworthy scissors here to open up the package. I could honestly freehand this package, but I just said fuck it, let me just use the scissors. So, getting into this one right here, open it up, we have a Supreme sticker pack. We have the dinosaur tee sticker here, as well as we have a chrome logo sticker along with our basic box logo. So nothing new. Usually when you order Supreme t-shirts, you get like a sticker pack to come in. And as you guys can see, we have the chrome logo t-shirt. I did decide to pick this up for the personal, so I'm going to open this up to show you guys what is in here. And here is the chrome logo Supreme t-shirt. This was probably the most popular t-shirt design to come out for the spring tees for the season. And I actually really liked this heather pink colorway a lot. I thought it stands out with the Supreme chrome logo. And actually it's not even full on pink. There's like a litlittle bit of like I guess you could say blackish grayish spots in the print, but I really like this color a lot. I think the logo just stands out, and this was a fairly easy tee to get, as most Supreme tees are pretty easy to get because there's so much in stock and it doesn't really get botted too heavily. But if you get like at least a large size I wear, they're easy to get. I know smalls is the ones you go for the resale, as well as extra large, but this was actually the only t-shirt I really liked. Now getting into the big box, this was the go-to item that I really wanted from the week, and it was actually fairly easy for me to get, knowing that this was the most hyped item of the drop. And I'm actually really glad to have this, and I'm really shocked to actually get it because I thought I would take an L on this. But you guys can already tell what this might be based on the box size, so let's get into this box and see what's inside. Alright, so opening the box, as you guys can see, we have another like cardboard piece inside, but if you guys can tell, it's already sticking out. You guys might already know what this is, and I'm actually really excited now because I was really wanting this item for the personal. And we have the red Supreme woven straw mat. This is something I really wanted for my room, just something to decorate with, because Supreme doesn't do any, or rarely does, items where you can like use as an accessory and stuff. And I'm going to open this to show you guys what it is. And opening the plastic up, this is actually really big, so I don't know if this is going to cover my entire camera, but we'll see. Extending it out, we have the Supreme mat, and this is really big because when I try to open this up, it knocked down my camera setup, so I had to like really stand up to show you guys what this is. I am going to set this down and put it on my floor just to show you guys what it looks like on the floor, but just basically looking at it as is, it's just like it said, all over Supreme straw mat. Really nice item. It's really big, and surprisingly for the retail of 40 bucks, honestly it's worth it. Like, it was such a cheap item, and there's a reason why this is reselling for the most money from the entire drop. But I'm going to set this on the floor for you guys to show you guys what it looks like. So showing you guys what the mat looks on the floor, this is really big. Like, I'm sure you guys might not be able to tell like looking at the video, but in person this thing really extends pretty far. And this is like the reason why I got it, just something nice to put in your room and just something to decorate your room with and stuff, with a big ass Supreme spell out. But I really like it a lot. It does smell when you first open it, but otherwise it is a very nice item in my opinion, and that's why I was struggling to fit it in my like camera view when I was opening it up and had to use like the rear camera. So here's the Supreme mat itself, and I'm really like pleased with it and happy how it is. So with that being said, that is all my pickups for this week, or for the Supreme Week 8 unboxing. Nothing too crazy, just 2 items I decided to purchase, but they're really good items. Like I said, this Supreme t-shirt is very nice, and I wish I could show you guys my mat again, but I put that on the floor and I'm not gonna pick that up. But that is probably the best item, and I'm glad to have that. And I appreciate you guys for watching today's video. If you guys want to see more videos of like Supreme unboxings and, you know, pickups, let me know. Also comment and let me know if you guys purchased anything from week 8 of Supreme's drop. And if you did, let me know what you guys bought, what was it, and if you guys like the red mat or the Chrome logo tee. But please make sure to like and comment on this video, as well as subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive notifications when I do post more videos. And also make sure to follow me at Haseeb_Meon. The Instagram is located below. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Peace.
She went back to a man, give a fuck. I just put a wagon in the driveway, you know I did. When I shoot my shot, it's the wild where it's going in. Me and Lil Sicko sitting